Yeah. Where I'm looking for a place to fly my drone I just bought on eBay. Yep, just waiting for someone. Yeah. 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 Yep. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, I see. I feel what you're talking about. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for a place just to fly the drone. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. I gotta use... Hey, what's up? Oh, I'm gonna try to find a place to fly my drone. Yeah, there's people that are just sort of, yeah, angry at me. That's all right. How's it going? Yeah. Yeah, people are leaving for Christmas. Yep. Yeah, it's a little smoky in here. What do you think of it? Yeah, I don't know, man. It just seems like, it just seems odd. You know? Yeah, I'm pulling into the hackLAB right now. Pulling in.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah,